What's good, guys? This is once again PR Creative Studio, and today we bring to you a tutorial on how to create a birthday flyer in Photoshop 2021. Alright, so without much ado, let's get right into the video. Okay, so first off, you select your size. Select your size, and this is 10 inches to 11 inches here. So this is what I always do. Now first off, I can just come here right here and set a solid color. Let me say blue or black or anything. Let me choose a deeper blue here. Okay, now this is what you have to do. I mostly work with downloaded backgrounds, so I'm going into my files to choose this background. This background that I have been. So I've actually named it backgrounds. So I'll just scroll down, and then I have this background here. Yes, good. So what I'm actually going to do is I have to scale it to fit the background. So I have to stretch, hold shift and drag to the top like so, hold shift again and drag to the down part like so. Yes, we are good to go. Let me center line it, and then we are good to go. Okay, so guys, let me drag this part a little bit. Okay, so with your image in place, I can choose to work with this one like that, but I want to work with something like blue black type of gradient. So with the image selected, I will just come to this part and select gradient map. Alright, so you just select gradient map and then choose any type of gradient that you want. So for me, I'm just going with a black, and then something like deep blue, something like light blue type of feel. Can increase it or decrease. I want something like so. Okay, alright, so with the background in place, and then you can start with your text. So let me choose. Now I have this font that I want to use for undo. I have these fonts that I want to use for this design, and it is called Choplin. Yes, Choplin. Let me just search for that font. Choplin. Yes, and Choplin is a font family. So we have, let me click here. We have thin italic, extra light, italic, and let me just go in for black. Yes, so it gives you this kind of bold look. Alright, so let me type happy like so, and then center align it and open it a little bit like so. Yes, and then duplicate, Control J, drag it down and type birthday in short, so BDAY. Okay, so I want the birthday to be larger than the happy, so I'll just scale it like so and drag for the space. Yes. So I think this is okay. So let me hit Control A and then select this side to center align it. Then Control A again, select this one to center align the happy. Then we are good to go. Okay, so with this, I also created something simple with a text. Yes, and the text is gelato. So I'll just type V. Yes, and then choose the gelato font. Gelato soft, that is the font, and then open it up and then hold. Yes, center align it and then open it up like so, and then scale this part like so, and then bring it down. Let me close this one close this one like so and bring it here. Okay, yes, yeah, so this one is just something I was playing with. Yes, but I actually achieved something from it. Okay, so what I did is I changed the color to a mango yellow type of feel like so, and then we are good to go. Now I added some flying gold thing, and it is called confetti. Yeah, confetti. You can download that on the website I just gave, PNG Wink. Yes, you can go there and type confetti or free pick and type confetti, and you're going to get it. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to look for the confetti I used in this design. Yeah, I think I downloaded it not long ago. Okay, I think it's here. Yes. Yeah, so let me just open it up to fill this space like so, and it came with a white background. Yeah, so as I said earlier on, in my previous tutorials on how to remove background like this, so you select your image, this one like this, and then you come to your layer panel, right click and choose rasterize. Yes, rasterize, and then you come back to your tools here and choose magic wand 2. So you select it and then you click on the white part that you want to remove. You just click on it like so, and then you hit delete and then Control D to deselect, and then we are good to go. Alright, so with this you just increase it to fit in your design. Let me drag it down, something like so. Alright, so now let's bring in the image of the person. Let me just make this one a little bit orange like so, and we are good to go. Now let's bring the image of the lady. Yeah, so let me go into my files again, and it's my downloads. I think this is the first image I used. Alright guys, so the same procedure, right click on the image, rasterize it, come to your property panel, then you select remove background, and then we are this PC. We are good to go. Alright, so now with the image, the background removed, let me just place it anywhere I wish. I think this place is great. Let me Control A and select this side to center line here. Okay, we are good to go. Now I also have another image of her. Let me just go for it. Yes, I think this one is here. Okay, yes, now the same procedure, rasterize, remove background, and then we are good to go. Yes, so I'll just place this one behind the first one like so, decrease it like so, and then I'll just click on it again, duplicate, drag to the other side like so, and then Control T to transform and choose flip horizontal. Yes, like so. Yes, let me align this one like so. Okay guys, we are almost done with this thing. Yeah, okay, so this is how you come about your birthday flyers and everything. Yeah, I'm also not done. I want to create some kind of a style in front of her, so I'm going to hit she was actually celebrating the birthday. That was 23rd, yes, of August. So I'm going to write something, but I have to let me write it here. Now because of the text in the background, I have to turn it off. Yes, and then hit my text select Gotham is also another dope font you can use in creating your designs. So let me write 23rd and bring it this one AUG. Yes, and set it to white and choose Gotham Ultra. Yes, let me place this text in front of the images. Yes, now let me highlight this 23rd and then reduce the size like so. Now select the two, and then the spacing between them is too much, so let me just adjust it well. Okay, so let me place the text in front of it like so, and then like this, and select your ellipse tool, hold shift so that you can get all the sizes equal. Yes, I want to create a round text. Let me select this center, align it, and then select my ellipse and center, align it too. Okay, let me set it to white. Now if you want to create, I brought this ellipse tool because if you want to create a round text, you can use the ellipse tool to create the round text. Yes, style. So with the ellipse tool selected, I'll come to my text, and then if you want to create a round text, you just bring the cursor at the side of the ellipse. If you bring it here, it will not work. You have to bring the cursor at any side of the ellipse. So let me bring it anywhere at the side around the ellipse tool and just click on it like so. You see, that's created this type of text that we want. So her name is Miss Frida, so I just have to type Miss Frida. Type it again, and then I'm done. Okay, so after that, you just have to come to the property layer panel and turn off the ellipse, and then we are good to go. So I can just select the 23rd and change the color to any type that I want. Any color that would be nice enough. I think this is okay. Yes, and then the Miss Frida too, I'm going to change it to book, and then we are good to go. So I don't want to keep it here in front of her. I can choose to leave it there, or what I can do is just hold. Let me reduce the Miss Frida a little bit. It's too big. Let me increase it again. Okay, so in turn of the ellipse, and then we are good to go. So I can just select all like this. If I don't want to keep it in front of her, I can just select all like so, and then Control T so that I can move it anywhere like so. Move it anywhere like so, or bring it here to any parts. Let me put it somewhere like so. Yes, I'm good to go. And then let me turn on the V thing I created behind it. Hey, I've changed the text. Let me set my gelato again. Okay, so guys, this is all for today. Kindly subscribe to the channel for more creativity, more tutorials. Alright, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.